Maintain pH levels between 7.2 and 7.8 for optimal water balance. Free chlorine levels should be between 1 and 3 parts per million, while bromine should be between 3 and 5 parts per million. Total alkalinity should range from 80 to 120 parts per million, and calcium hardness should be between 200 and 400 parts per million. Ensure water remains clear with no cloudiness. Monitor pressure and clean filter media regularly to ensure efficiency. Verify the correct turnover rate and maintain proper water levels for optimal flow. Check pumps for unusual noise or signs of malfunction to prevent breakdowns. Ensure skimmers function properly by cleaning baskets regularly to maintain water quality. Regularly check pool tiles for damage and inspect the liner for cracks. Clean pool walls and floors, ensuring drains are unobstructed for safety. Inspect the deck area for cracks or slippery spots and check the condition of furniture. Verify that all signage is visible and maintain overall cleanliness. Ensure handrails and ladders are secure, rust-free, and stable for safe access. Check that all pool and surrounding area lights are functioning properly for visibility. Maintain well-stocked first aid kits and ensure rescue equipment is easily accessible for emergencies. Store chemicals in a ventilated area, keeping them in their original containers for safety. Maintain safety data sheets for all chemicals to comply with regulations. Ensure safety equipment like gloves. Goggles and spill kits are available to handle chemicals safely. Test water chemistry and clean skimmer baskets daily to maintain pool quality. Backwash filters and perform shock treatments weekly for optimal cleanliness. Conduct monthly deep cleanse of pool surfaces and inspect equipment for any issues. Prepare for seasonal changes with winterizing or summerizing procedures as needed. Create a digital checklist in eAuditor based on maintenance categories for organized tracking. Set frequency alerts and automate reports to streamline the process. Delegate specific tasks to team members to ensure accountability. Use analytics to track performance and identify trends or recurring issues.